In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add the Google search bar to the home screen of your Android phone. So, alright, let's get started. First, go to your home screen where you can see all your apps on your Android device, and then simply long press on an empty area of your home screen. So I'm just going to long press, and when the menu appears, what you want to do is you want to select widgets. In the widgets section, scroll through or use the search bar at the top and type in Google. Once you find Google, then what you want to do is tap on the little drop down arrow, and you can see here there is a Google search bar widget. So press and hold it. So I'm going to press and hold, and then what I'm going to do is drag it to a preferred spot on the home screen, and just when you let go, it will be placed there. So if there is obviously a box still around this, you can make adjustments such as changing the size, transparency, and then what you want to do is hit the back button, and that is it. Now you can easily search Google directly from your home screen just with a tap.